warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Ariel Ardiansyah, student ID 2501022004 from class 1A Diploma 3 Civil Engineering. Today, we are going to talk about one of the coolest innovation in civil engineering, that is self-healing concrete. Have you ever seen cracks on a road, a bridge, or even the wall of a building? At first, those cracks look very small, so most people ignore them. But over time, they can become much bigger and even dangerous. Now, imagine if the concrete could repair those cracks by itself, just like our skin health after getting a cut. Sound like science fiction, right? Well, it's actually real. This amazing technology is called self-healing concrete. And today, I'll explain how it's works, why it's important, and why many engineers believe it's could change the future of construction. So, without further ado, let's get started. What is self-healing concrete? Before we talk about self-healing concrete, let's first understand ordinary concrete. Concrete is one of the most widely used construction material in the world. It's used to build houses, bridges, skyscrapers, highways, tunnels, airports, and dams. Concrete is extremely strong when it's compression, but unfortunately, it is very good at resisting tension. Because of this crack eventually appears. This crack can be caused by heavy traffic, earthquakes, temperature change, rain, or simply because the concrete gets older. Even tiny cracks are dangerous because water can enter them. Once water reaches the steel reinforcement inside the concrete, corrosion begins. Eventually, the structure becomes weaker and repairs become very expensive. That's why scientists create self-healing concrete. Instead of waiting for workers to repair the cracks, the concrete repairs itself automatically. Pretty amazing, isn't it? How does it work? So, how can concrete heal itself? The secret is bacteria. Yes, real bacteria. Scientists use special bacteria such as Bacillus subtilis, Bacillus pseudofirmus, and Bacillus spiricus. Don't worry, these bacteria are completely safe. They are mixed into the concrete together with nutrition called calcium lactate. When the concrete is still healthy, the bacteria stay asleep. Nothing happens. But when a crack appears, rainwater enters the cracks, the water wakes up the bacteria. The bacteria start eating the nutrition and produce calcium carbonate, also known as limestone. This limestone fills the crack naturally. After the crack is completely sealed, the bacteria become inactive again. It's almost like the concrete has its own immune system. Isn't that incredible? Why it's important? Now you may ask. Why don't we just repair the cracks manually? Well, repairing concrete is actually very expensive. Imagine closing a bridge just to repair a few cracks. Traffic becomes worse. Workers need heavy equipment. Government spend millions of dollars every year on maintenance. If the concrete can repair itself, many of these costs can be reduced. Not only that, but structure can also last much longer. That means safer building, stronger bridge, and fewer accidents. Let's talk about the advantage. First, self-healing concrete extend the lifespan of structures. Second, it reduces maintenance costs because small cracks repair themselves. Third, it protects steel reinforcement from rust. Fourth, it reduces water leakage. Another important advantage is that it's environmentally friendly. Producing cement releases a lot of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. If a building lasts longer, we don't need to produce as much new concrete. This means less pollution and a healthier environment. Of course, no technology is perfect. Self-healing concrete also has some disadvantage. The biggest of these costs. Right now, it's more expensive than ordinary concrete. Under limitation is that it's only repairs small cracks. If the cracks is too large, human repair is still necessary. Scientists are still improving this technology to make it cheaper and more effective. Self-healing concrete has many applications. It can be used in bridges where cracks often appear because of heavy traffic. It can also be used to tunnels where repairs are difficult. Dams can benefit because preventing water leakage is extremely important. Pore and offshore structure can also use this technology because they are constantly exposed to seawater. Even tall buildings and highway can become stronger by using self-healing concrete. Many researchers believe that in the future, this technology will become a standard material in construction. The future of self-healing concrete look very promising. Scientists are trying to develop bacteria that can survive even longer. They also want concrete to repair largest cracks. In the future, self-healing concrete may even work together with smart sensor and artificial intelligence. Imagine a bridge that can detect damage, repair itself, and send information to engineer automatically. That will be a huge step forward for civil engineering. So, what can we learn from today's video? Self-healing concrete is an innovative material that can repair its own cracks using special bacteria. This technology helps increase durability, reduce maintenance costs, improve safety, and protect the environment. Although it's still more expensive than ordinary concrete, is in future is very big. Who knows, maybe in the next few years, most buildings around us will self-healing concrete. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and learned something new. See you in the next meeting. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.